Alright everybody, I'm going to do a little update here on this metal roof video that I put on the other day. I don't feel like the contractor did this guy very good, and we tore off the metal, and I want to show you what they actually did under this. Yeah, this is what they put your metal roof over the top of. Absolutely ridiculous. What a terrible job. Terrible job, buddy. We're going to replace all this wood and any other wood that we find on this thing that's rotted, obviously. We're going to fix it up right. All my materials, plywood for the job. Got everything here. We'll have this done today. So you seen us here the other day looking at this place, and it had a metal roof on it. This was what was under the metal. Had no felt paper at all on it, just metal on top of the shingles, just like this. They didn't run felt paper or anything. And before they did that metal roof, obviously, or who knows when, they decided that they weren't going to worry about rotten wood, so they didn't replace it. So they went right over the top of everything with that metal, and the roof was rotted. Look at that shit. Holy shit. Look at that. No wonder it was leaking. Look at that. Wow. So that's what was going on under that metal. Good God Almighty. And that's right in the kitchen. Look at that. They went right over the top of that. You believe that? Wow. Isn't that crazy? That's crazy, man. Anyway, this is what you had under your metal. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Alright, so we have the metal off. Replaced all the plywood. Installed a beautiful solar fan. Love that thing. Nice cleanup going on. Sir, finished. Now this roof I won't worry about. We used the Owens Surenail shingle, double dip galvanized nail, plastic pipe boots because of the extreme salt we have around here. I don't use the steel ones. This thing's beautiful. Tore off, put back.